Hey guys, what's going on? And in today's video we'll be going over the Marshall Stanmore Bluetooth speaker. So let's get right into this. The Marshall Stanmore Bluetooth speaker is decent size. It's about maybe a little bit bigger than the JBL Extreme, but it is a lot louder and it also has a higher price point at $400. You can connect your mobile device through Bluetooth or 3.5 auxiliary input, or you can connect your old record player using RCA or the optical output for high-end PCs or whatever you want to use the speaker for. So you can use this universally with pretty much any kind of thing or device you want. So that's a plus with this speaker. On the back of the Marshall Stanmore, you have your RCA input, your optical in input, your power input, and your standby mode, which limits the power usage when not in use. You also have multiple labels on the back. On the top of the speaker, you have your input 1, which is your auxiliary input, your connection status markers pretty much, your volume, your bass, and your treble controllers, your pair button, your button to change the source, and your on and off switch. That's all about the specifications of the speaker. Now we're going to go into a sound test.